Pterodactyl here, and I want to show you something. This is the worst one I've ever seen in all the years I've been doing this. Check this out. Check out this fuel filter that came in on a John Deere. One of them box store John Deeres. And the thing still ran. That's grass and debris. Now, how did that get in there? I didn't put it in there, because the customer always says, I don't know how that got in there. How'd that get in there, Taryl? That's why it's important to check your gas can. You know how you check your gas can? You take the cap off and you shine a light in there. And look in the bottom of a gas can and see what kind of crap is in there. Where are you storing your cans? How did it get that bad? Now here's another one. It's not as bad as this one. It's still pretty bad. And again, this was on a John Deere also. But this is a replacement filter, another brand. I don't think that came from Deere, but still, it did its job. And another thing you need to check is your fuel line. This fuel line started to deteriorate from the inside. Because look, it looks fine on the outside, but no flow. We're going to take it over on that little light over there and show you. So check this out. This started to fall apart from the inside. It was all wrapped up in there. And no fuel was getting through. So you need to check these things. It's not hard to do. Pretty basic and simple. Pull the fuel line off. See if any gas is coming through it. If you're getting good flow, like from Progressive. You're not getting good flow, replace it. If you're not sure, replace it. Look in the gas tank. If you can't see in the gas tank, take the gas tank off. Dump it out. Dump it into a container you can see in. A white bucket. And then you can see all the crap that comes out of there. I don't know how much debris we pull out of mowers all the time. And it's just simple carelessness. Just be mindful of what you're doing. And there's your dinner. Oh, hey there, grass rats. Have you subscribed to the new Skits channel yet? Well, what are you waiting for? Go over there and subscribe. Taryl fixes all skits. Check it out. And there's your dinner. Go subscribe. Don't be watching me.